Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L360 driver. So open any browsers to Google search box to type like this, okay, and then click. You can see the first and just click on it. Then select the operating system, then extract driver, then printer driver 64-bit extract. Now you can see and click to download. Scroll down, I agree and download. After that you can see it will support the Windows 10 also, okay, Windows 11 64-bit, Windows 10 64, 8 and XP. It is downloaded, just open it and then yes, then click to OK. Now select the language and then click to OK. I agree and again click to OK. Now wait few seconds to you can see the driver is installing. Then there are two options to install: first network and second one the USB. So if you network will connect it, so search, and after that if you know about that IP address and all, you just enter it 192.168.1 whatever you have to. Now, otherwise you just select to OK and after that click to search. So it will scan your printer and it will show. If you USB and this, so okay, connect to USB to your printer to your laptop, then it will detect and then you just next to install, okay. Then if you install there ones software also there, you can see the coding and printing and all, okay.